Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to share a short video about this absolutely brilliant Triumph Speed Twin 1200. Here we have a Triumph Speed Twin 1200. This is a 2019 bike on a 69 plate with just 11,211 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and comes in the two-tone grey and black colour scheme, which looks absolutely superb on this bike. The bar ends, and you've got those bar end mirrors as well, all absolutely in superb condition, as is the lever there, as you can see. Petrol tank's all good as well, along with the seat and the shocks. The exhaust, standard exhaust on this one, and they're in great condition as well, as are the foot pegs and all your engine cases there, and the rear foot pegs. Side panel, again, all good as well. Your fake carburetors there, looking all good, and there's no paint flaking off the engine at all. All in great condition there. There's a tiny mark there on the right hand engine case. Absolutely nothing to be concerned about, and they're not terribly expensive if you wanted to replace it, but it is a used motorcycle after all. The front wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and the front forks all in good condition as well with those gaiters. No splits in those either. You've got that fly screen fitted as well, just to give you a little bit more wind protection. Front headlamp with its daytime riding lights there, all good, no stone chips or anything like that there at all, and the front mudguard again in excellent condition. Front tyre, plenty of life left in that one there. Just going to show you the rear wheel, chain sprockets all good as well, as you can see, and the rear tyre again, bags of life left there. You've got the tail tidy fitted as well on this one. Just forgot to show you that one on the back of the bike. The left hand side of the bike, that's in excellent condition as well, as you can see there, with no marks on the bar end mirror. The bar end, all the lever, all the forks on this side, all good as well. Of course, it just looks like an old bike. You've got anti-lock brakes, traction control, a couple of rider modes as well. It's not all mod cons really. All the exhaust there, all in great condition, and the engine case on this left-hand side is absolutely spotless. No marks or paint flaking off on the cylinder head there, and the side panel, all good. Foot pegs good as well, and the standard exhaust on this left hand side again unmarked, just like the other side there. Rear shock, that's all in fantastic condition as well, and the rear wheel again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there, as you can see, absolutely spotless in there as well. No rips or tears in the seat. Top of the petrol tank, that's all in fantastic condition as well. You get a Monza fuel cap there as well, and a mix of analog and digital for your clocks. So if you are looking for a superb retro style motorcycle, look no further than this beautiful Triumph Speed Twin 1200. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come under current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Triumph, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.